Hey educators and schools gearing up for the 2024 BECE and WASSCE. If you're aiming for that perfect 100%, here are 8 must-know tips. Number 1. Start early. School leaders, gather your troops and plan strategies for success. Unity among teachers is key. Number 2. Timely revision. Don't procrastinate. Begin revising Form 1 topics from January 2024, covering all subjects with a weekly timetable. Number 3. Interactive revision. Interactive revision. No lectures, please. Prepare questions for students to answer, guiding them through potential exam queries. Number 4. Answering techniques. Teach students how to tackle questions effectively, a crucial aspect often overlooked. Number 5. Dictation matters. Regular dictations for JHS 3 students help in mastering spellings, a vital skill for answering questions accurately. Number 6. Group discussions. Foster collaboration by putting students into groups. Have them discuss topics or answer sets of questions together. Number 7. Conference class sessions. Shake up the usual class setup with random questions in a horseshoe formation. Boosts confidence and peer learning. Number 8. Special sessions. Dive deep into key terms and processes. Students explain and define terms, improving their understanding. Bonus tips. Number 9. Reward excellence. Introduce award schemes for teachers based on student grades. Motivate your teaching team. Number 10. Use strategic mocks. Consider using BECE school and home mocks from Education News Consult. Focus on strategic learning and preparation instead of relying on leaked papers. Remember, dedication and consistency are the keys to success. Best of luck for a stellar performance in the 2024 BC. And don't forget to check out Juxtello iTech for more insightful content.